Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I am here to share an altered memory decks card with you all for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations, and I'll have her link down below so you can go check her out, and then I'll have the hashtag in my title so you can check everybody that's participating and see their creations. So I am doing this Memory Decks card from the Heidi Swap die set that I have. I cut a couple of them out. I think these two, and I have these two as well. So I might cut those out on a later date. So as you know, it's winter time here in Virginia. I did not do anything winter. I am looking forward for Valentine's Day, and I used this new paper pad that I got from Hobby Lobby this year. It's reds and pinks, and it has bows, and I love this combination. I'm so glad they came out with a new paper pad for Valentine's Day. So I kind of tore, a piece of, I measured it out and I tore it in the background. Then I had some chipboard letters in my stash that I've had forever and ever and ever. And I tried to sell it on my YouTube channel, but nobody seemed to want it. So I get it. And I figured, what the hey, I can spell out love with these chipboard pieces. I love how I layered it on top of each other so that it would fit. Because these are about 2-inch, I think. Let me see here. I think these are 2-inch. Hold on. Oop. These are about 1 3/4 of an inch tall. So they are pretty big, but I love how they stand out against the pattern paper. I added some felt hearts at the top and the bottom. This is a punched out craft heart that I found laying around. Here are some Dollar Tree flowers. This is a bling in my little bits and bob container here on my desk. This is I don't know if this is a Prima flower or not, but it's a crochet flower with some ribbon leaves. And I think it turned out really super sweet. I love it. It will be a good addition to my my Deck the Year this year. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your week. It's almost February. Oh gosh. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.